Welcome to the League of Strategists Resource Center. And this has been designed in conjunction with the Strategy Man versus the Anti-Strategy Squad book, which was published in 2018, and really provides an in-depth resource on strategic thinking and planning skills and capabilities. You can see on the homepage we've got the insight of the day down here, which is typically a quotation, a fact, a piece of data that is good food for thought around strategy. Here we've got the Knowledge Center on the far left, and the Knowledge Center provides articles, infographics, podcasts, videos, and cards. So in the article section, we've got dozens of different articles on things like myths of strategy, strategy scaffold, are you getting better, innovative thinking, lots of different articles and white papers there to build your knowledge set. Also in the Knowledge Center, we've got infographics. So again, can be very useful to start a meeting. Click on time to think, and it brings up again a useful infographic, how CEOs spend their time. So a great visual way to think about how we're learning. Also in the Knowledge Center, we've got podcasts, we've got videos. So again, different topics, whether it be tactical or strategic thinking, how to develop a strategy print. So lots of good information from a video perspective. And then we also have, which is very unique obviously to this system, is the Strategy Man training cards. And the training cards are really a very thoughtful way to build your strategic capabilities. So we've got the heroes, we've got the villains, and then we also have down here the tools. So one way that some groups are using these is each week they're picking a different card, and let's say Dr. Yes. And Dr. Yes is obviously the ability to not have enough focus and not as whittle down our priorities. So here we've got some description of Dr. Yes, we've got an example, and then we've got some tips to defeat Dr. Yes down here. So the training cards, again, really a great innovative way. Here we've got the GHOST framework as one of our tools, so we flip that over and it talks about recording your goals, objectives, strategies, tactics, and how to do that. So again, the training cards, very useful. There's physical copies, obviously hard copies of the cards, but then there's this digital version that we have as well. So then we might go to the Strategist Journal. This is a proprietary system that I developed to help people really methodically think about their business. So if you are carving out time in your schedule to think strategically, plan strategically, this offers a number of different interactive tools to help you do that. And it also provides an area to record your insights on a regular basis so that you can continually track your learnings and get better at what you're doing. There's also a strategy forum, and what's interesting here is this provides an opportunity to ask questions, talk with other people, and these forums can be created for your team at your company. They can be created for a business unit or your company itself. So if you want to have a dedicated area to talk about strategy with your team, with other people in your company, we can create a strategy forum for your group. And then finally, the last area is the glossary. And the glossary is really designed to give you at your fingertips the key definitions, because how often have you been in a meeting and somebody brings up a term like mission statement, and there's lots of different ideas as to what a mission or even a strategy is. And so this gives you the tangible definitions of what those words are. So again, just a quick overview of the League of Strategists. A very interactive, dynamic learning system, and something that potentially can help you really build strategic thinking and planning into long-term habits.